This moose is carrying thousands of blood-sucking ticks across its body. They spread across the neck and shoulders, feeding every single day. Every bite steals blood and slowly weakens the animal. It desperately rubs against trees, hoping to scrape them away. But the parasites refuse to let go. Then an unexpected helper quietly appears. It immediately begins searching for its first meal. One swollen tick becomes the bird's first reward. One parasite after another, the tiny bird begins clearing the largest clusters. Another oxpecker quickly joins the feast. Together, they search every hidden corner beneath the thick coat. Even the deepest parasites cannot stay hidden for long. The moose slowly begins to relax. Every parasite removed brings immediate relief. Soon, more helpers arrive. Hidden beneath the thick fur, the last major parasite colony is finally discovered. The largest parasites become the bird's favorite targets. The moose no longer resists. It completely trusts its tiny helpers.
Every few seconds, another parasite disappears forever.
Even the smallest hiding places can't protect them anymore.
Soon, almost every part of the moose is being cleaned. The difference becomes impossible to ignore.
Areas that once crawled with parasites now reveal healthy skin again.
Relief slowly replaces constant irritation.
Only a few stubborn parasites are still holding on. The biggest survivor becomes the bird's final reward. Even the delicate skin around the eyes receives careful attention. The painful burden has almost completely disappeared.
Birds perform one final inspection. Their work is finally complete. One species found food, the other found relief.
Nature reminds us that survival is sometimes built on cooperation.